it is very important for letting employees know and feel that AI is not there to take away their jobs. AI is definitely there to help augment their jobs and help them do better, the thinking part, the take away the transactional part. And AI is not just for AI practice, right? AI is for every employee, whichever role you are, including myself. Three things: mindset, skill set, and tool set. Let me explain that. Mindset is when you come into your office, do you have a mindset of AI first? Which means, are you experiencing AI in the workplace as an employee? So people, like, for example, if you want to get your pay slip, if you want to submit your claims, are you feeling that AI is being used, or are you still using the old way and we're expecting you to follow AI, right? So one is make sure the employee experience is any query resolution, anything that employee has is actually AI powered. Coming to skill set, I spoke about the learning paths, created the learning paths, keep evolving based on AWS will come out with a new tool and a Bedrock SageMaker and Amazon Q, and we'll follow that. We will continue to take it. Microsoft comes with GitHub Copilot, M365 Copilot, welcome. We have Google Code Assist. So we kind of embrace all the skill sets that are available to get our employees, upskilled on this. And we keep telling employees, skill is the only currency. I think it does not matter which role you are, which degree you have, but ultimately you have to be constantly upskilled. Finally, on tool set, it's very important to give employees the tools and the playground to play with the tools that they have. We have mandated use of AI-powered tools and made it easy for employees to leverage them. So I think this is helping us to build a culture where people start seeing AI as an ally, AI as a friend. Of course, there are discussions on is it resulting in ROI and productivity. I think we are far away from there right now. I think right now the intent is drive usage, drive comfortable friendliness with AI, and build a population which actually loves, embraces AI as we go ahead.